Now moving on, with the original Bagets as his dad, he may have inherited his charm and acting prowess from him. And the star for Best New Male TV Personality goes to Andres Mula, The First Family, TV5.
To present the trophy from BMPC is Board of Director Leon A. Garcia.
Hello, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hello po. 2 years ago, I received an award on behalf of my father. At aminin ko na that time, sobrang kinakabahan ako. At 2 years later, nandito ako receiving my first award. At syempre, kinakabahan pa rin ako. So, guys, firstly, I would like to thank PMPC for this award. It's really an honor, and let this be a reminder and inspiration really to continue to do good work. I'd also like to thank my Viva family, Boss Vic, Boss Val, Boss Vincent, Boss Ronnie. Thank you guys for believing in me. I would also like to thank my family, of course, my father, who is also an inspiration to me, my mom, who continues to help me every single day, and of course, my sister, who I love so much. My family that I love, thank you guys so much. Lastly, I would like to thank TV5, of course, and the First Family, the great cast and prod team that has helped me receive this award. Thank you all for being here tonight. God bless you all, and I love you all.
Marami nang naging big stars sa mga dating housemate ni Kuya. For this next category, the star for Best New Female TV Personality goes to Fiang Smith, Pinoy Big Brother, Gen 11, Big Forever, A to Z, and TV5.
Presenting the trophy from BMPC is past President Chairman Roldan Castro.
Thank you. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. First of all, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to PNPC. Maraming salamat po sa tiwalang binigay niyo sa akin. To my mommy, daddy, to my family, my friends, my fans, Direct Lauren, and Star Magic family. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang paggabay sa akin at sa inyong suporta. At syempre, hindi ko po pwedeng kalimutan. Maraming salamat din po, JN Ibarra, sa pag-support sa akin since day one. And always remember who did, God did. Thank you.
A talk show inspired by the love and legacy of a mom who gave television one of the most respected TV hosts. The stars for Best Celebrity Talk Show and Best Celebrity Talk Show Host go to My Mother, My Story, GMA7, and Boy Abunda for My Mother, My Story, GMA7.
Sa akin na dapat ipagpatuloy ko ang aking mga kwento. Si Direct Gilbert B. At gusto ko na rin pasalamatan mga bosses ko sa TV5. Si Boss Manny Pangilinan, Ma'am Jane Basas, Sir Guido Zaballero, Michelle Eraso, Patrick Paez, Bastia, Mariano, Tito Laurena, Vince Rodriguez, yan, pinakabahan ko dito. Sasalamatan ko rin po ang Team Logan, ang Logan Star Productions, nung ako po ay naging content provider. Mary Michelle Buenviaje, Janelle Arisa, Regina Amin, Leslie Peñalosa, Kim Alexis Tiwa, JF Bautista, Donald Malad, Philip Vidal, at Jerry Lloyd Magat, at Tony Hando. So, nasasalamatan ko rin po, siyempre,
Kimi,
Yes, ano
dito
yun?
sa susunod na award, sigurado ako mapaproud ka.
Ano yun?
Yan,
Ano
because
yun?
this next award is the star for the best reality show hosts. Hosts. So may S.
Yes!
Marami to. And the star goes to Bianca, Robbie, Kimi, Melay, Enchong, and Alexa for Binoy Big Brother, Gen 11, TV5, and A to Z.
Sabi ni host, ako na lang pala mag-isa to. Ito ba? Hello? Ayan, magandang gabi! Oh, to the F to the G! Nanalong TVB! Pero in behalf of Ate Bianca, Melay, Enchong, Robbie, Alexa, maraming salamat po for always supporting Pinoy Big Brother. Ito po talaga ang kwento ng totoong buhay and we're very thankful sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na't may bago kaming bahay na nasa GMA 7 po ang PBB Collab. Kaya maraming salamat. More power po sa lahat ng sumusuporta, lalong-lalo na po kay Kuya. At sa lahat ng mga nangangarap sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Thank you so much. Congratulations. R for Best Talent Search Program host goes to Raver Cruz and Julianne San Jose for the Clash 2024 GMA 7.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, napapasalamat po kami sa Panginoon sa panibagong blessing na na-receive po namin. And of course, PMPC, maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na ito. And we also want to thank GMA Network and Sparkle for giving us the opportunity to host such an inspiring program, which is The Clash. So actually, pang 7th year na po namin ito. So napapasalamat po kami dahil nabigyan kami ng opportunity na makilala po ang mga talentong Pilipino.
Yun po, maraming salamat po sa PMPC, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng The Clash, yung mga bosses po namin ng The Clash, Miss Ruth, Miss Gigi, Miss D, maraming salamat po, and umasa po kayo na mananatili po kami isang platform para makilala ang mga talented na Pilipino at ang mga talented na Pinoy singers natin sa bansa. Maraming salamat.
Congrats, Julie!